I got to know, what is it like now? And I don't know what your truck looks like. It's probably got one of these. But the extended cab, the sleeper cab, I think we all like to call it, who don't know a lot about trucks. But what's going on the inside there? What's the latest and greatest? Because it looks like you guys can live in those things if you wanted to. Back behind the driver's seat, what's the interior of those trucks like these days?
Well, most of the cabin is the one I got is very spacious, so there's enough room for a pretty big refrigerator that I personally just picked up from Lowe's for like a couple $100. There's a top bunk now, but there's no net for somebody else to sleep up there. So there's one for the bottom, but I'm running out of room personally to put things. There's a lot of space, but there's not a lot of storage space in this Cascadia.
And James, I will mention, I walked out there when he arrived. I said, I want to see inside that thing. And I looked inside there, and he said, shh, but watch the sleep in the back. So evidently there's room for two to live there.
Oh, yeah, there's a room for at least 3 people in this one to live. There's just not a lot of storage space anymore.
Yeah.
But there's a lot of space to live in now.
Yeah. That's kind of neat. And I was talking before this, and he mentioned that usually when he goes places, he does stay in the truck. He enjoys getting a hotel room every now and then, but usually stays in the truck. So that's kind of it's just an amazing thing to hear that side of what people do, and I love that.
Sometimes I just don't want to spend $100 for a hotel room either.
Yeah.
I'd rather go out and eat $150 at a casino.
Yeah.